So once you've made your pop effect, do you have to do it on every subtitle? Not really. You can just click this one, hold down Alt, drag it to make a duplicate of the clip, and let's align it to the end. So now when we play,
you paid too much for.
So too much for something. You go to title, just change this. Too much for something. So if we go from the start, play.
You paid too much for something.
We can fix this a bit more. Move a frame to the left, probably be okay.
Imagine you paid too much for something.
That's much better. And the next line starts here. So I can just drag this. Click on this. Alt, drag. And then let's scroll, control scroll to go to the right of your timeline.
And instead of giving you
let's see if we got it right.
And instead of giving you
he says the here, so we put our marker here and we just leave it there. Pick this one, hold Alt, drag, and put it right there.
And instead of giving you the thing they bought for.
The thing they bought. Oops. Let's see if we got it right.
The thing they bought.
Let's do it one more time.
They gave you the receipt.
They gave you the receipt.
They gave you the receipt. And you eat.
And that's basically how we make subs.
You paid too much for something, and instead of giving you the thing they bought for, they gave you the receipt.
You just keep doing that until we get a whole clip. So let's check our whole thing.
Imagine you paid too much for something, and instead of giving you the thing they bought for, they gave you the receipt. And you could show somebody that receipt and prove that you bought the thing, but you don't actually have anything. And that's kind of it.
And that's a basic subtitle clip.